What's up, everybody? It's Jacob, Living Waters Landscaping. We're here at the shop. We're getting ready to drill out this boulder for our fountain pond we're doing right now. It's going to be a bubbling boulder. We're going to cut a little pool in the top of it and drill it out. A little bit thinner than I wanted it to be, but we don't have machine access back there, so we got to move that by hand. It's still going to look cool. We're going to try and kind of float it right on the top of the water level, let the water drip out over the sides. Should be nice. We'll see. Check it out. Also, I don't know if you can hear in the background there, it's the cicadas have come out here in North Carolina after 17 years underground. Listen. Sounds like an alarm going off. For the first few days I thought it was an alarm going off, but no, it's cicadas, and I guess they're edible, so I heard some people are collecting them to fry them up and eat in some tacos, but I think I'll pass. So the plan is here, we're gonna cut, kind of like I said, a little pool out of the top of this. I'm gonna carve a circle, gouge it out, polish it a little bit, then drill a hole right in the center, plumb it up from the bottom. Water kind of flows out over the edges. Now that we got some of the lines cut out with the saw, we're going to chisel out the edges, bust all that out, and then kind of try and polish it up with the angle grinder, the disc grinder on there. Should be fun. We'll see. We're about halfway through the process now. We got this bowl cut out, just kind of polishing it up right now with the angle grinder. Alright, now that we're all polished up, we can start core drilling. Obviously, that needs to get washed out. We are drilled out and polished up. Looks pretty nice. Let's see what happens when we get it out there. Get a nice flow up off, hopefully, maybe all sides. We'll see. Remember, let's do a nice fall right here. I'm not sure, but it's gonna look good. Check it out tomorrow. Alright, beautiful day. Probably low 70s here in Asheville. We're gonna get this fountain set, and alright, let's find out. And say they're gonna say put some dang work boots on is what they're gonna say. Alright, unloading this fountain, bringing it in the back. Don't break it, folks. You're gonna get in trouble for Some days you don't need a machine. All you need is Chewy with his sandals on and his earphones on for some reason. We're not cutting anything. Why you got your earphones on? Alright, plan is we're going to try and get it on top of that pillar just to take a look at it. I'm not sure if that's actually going to work. Put our plumbing up through there. But, so it's kind of be floating on this edge of the pool. We'll see. Not quite sure yet. Alright, so we decided we didn't like the pillar idea. One, it's a little too tall. We could cut that block down, but I think we're going to do two just rocks, so it kind of looks more natural. We'll mud that in. I know, OSHA showed up, so he had to put on his, what the heck? That does not fit you, dude. That thing is longer than you. No, there's nothing wrong with my video. That is actually the wrong size boot. Okay, thanks to OSHA. Anyways, we're gonna go back to these pillars and ditch the center and see what it looks like on there. So let's find out. All right, so we decided, kind of designing on the fly a little bit here. It is kind of supposed to be like a bird bath, but I really don't like it kind of just sitting by itself. So I'm gonna push that back and build it into the back wall of the pond. So most of the drop will be here, and you have a little shallow area back into the deep end, instead of it looking just kind of like a bird bath, even though it's supposed to be a bird bath. But I don't know.